Right now I want to show you how to start that assessment that you've just made. Okay, we go to response and we want to start a class first. Now if we're in anonymous mode, okay, which is generally the default mode, okay, we can click anonymous. Okay, if we don't want to gather student data by making students input their ID, we can just use the anonymous mode. And once we start that, it shows you that students are going to join the Bob class. Okay, that means when they turn their clicker on, they will either see Bob and just click on that to join the class, or they will search for a class and it will pull Bob up and they will join it at that point. Okay, we can also go to response, start a class, and we could start one of the classes that we have. So you see I have a bunch of classes here, so if it's first period or second period or third period, you would just pick the class that's appropriate. I think we just created this EDUC 648 file, so I'll click on that. Okay, again, it says this class is started. I just hit close, and now I go back up to response and I hit start assessment. Okay, and you can see, okay, once I do that, it starts timing. Okay, here's where we will see who is finished. Okay, and what happens when I start that class, since I assign numbers to the students using their clickers will sign in to the student response system, and they will be prompted to do so once they have identified the Bob class. So they'll click on join Bob class, and then it'll ask for their student ID. They'll put their student ID in and hit enter, and it will take them to the first question. Alright, so and to go through this, so here we are on the title pages. Alright, students, we're going to take reading quiz. We just click the arrow and we go to the second question, and students answer that, and when they're all finished answered, we'll see it right here. We could just use the arrow to go to the next question, okay, to the next question, and then when we get finished, we would just hit stop assessment, okay, and then we are finished. Okay,